Good morning, guys. Assalamu alaikum. Today actually I am going to do some upgrades on the bike for the the safety purpose on Kawasaki, which they didn't actually include it. So I am going to do that one from aftermarket, so it will be very good to for my safety. Mostly I use this bike on the track or zigzag and even the street, so I need to put something to make it more stable on this bike. So I will show you what I am going to do in a while. Same time I am going to surprise my old friends. Yeah, they have been taking care of my bike since 2015, so it's been a while I haven't visited them, so I haven't did anything from them. So I thought today let's do this upgrade in their place. So the place is Motorad Performance. Yeah, they used to taking care of my bike since 2015. As you know, I have the golden J1000, my ZX10R, my other bikes, all the bikes they used to service it for me all the time. So in ZH2, the first time I am bringing to them and changing something for for my safety. Yeah, I will show you later what I am going to put here. And this is my first upgrade, so there are so many of them coming, so many things are coming for my bike. So I will keep uploading each upgrade I do. So this is the first upgrade I am doing in the bike. After the exhaust I think you guys have seen before when I was doing the the exhaust replacement and all the stuff. So this is something else. So guys, I will see you later when I am going to surprise them in Motorad. Here I am, Motorad Racing Performance. So let's meet those guys. Let's meet the masters. What's up, guys? What's up, brother? Hi, bro. Anyway, this is Sam. He's a chief mechanic. Hi, bro. He's the owner. Hi, bro. Morning. Oh, Musa. Here is Motorad. I will tell you later, guys. Yeah, boys. Here is Master Sam. Tanggalin mo na yung mga mask mo. Ayaw tanggalin ng mask. Pero alam nyo, I am here for 5 years. Until now, wala siyang pera sa, he cannot cut the hair. Until now, may buhok pa rin. Okay. Here is Rad Ramirez. He is the owner of Motorad. And here is one of our friend. Happy birthday, brother. Advance happy birthday. His birthday on Friday. So there is the officials, si Madam. And there is Pogi, walang kwenta. So guys, this is actually what I said. The Kawasaki, they put everything on the ZH2, but there are some parts as they are actually kuripot. So here is their kuripot, they put a Nissin, but I just want to change it to Brembo. So that is a Brembo Corsa Corta RS19. So this is a best master cylinder at the moment. So beside that, there are so many things I am going to upgrade in soon. So I will show you one by one what this master mechanic do here. So Skeleton, he's a master. He was the one taking care of my bike. Yeah. So there are so many bikes. I will show you on the behind. There is a garage. So let's do the Motorad tour. Yeah, here is, guys. Yeah, you can see the lineup. So many bikes are here. Yeah, here is. Yeah, this is actually from Nino Gonzalez, I think. Yeah, So this is CX-10R, CX-10R. Oh, there is a Honda. It's a Honda 1000RR. Nice. So this is their area, and they have other things also here. Oh, see Ducati. So CX-10R, Yamaha R1, so many bikes. So this is a place you can come and check it out. Later guys, I will interview Rad and Sishan. I will show you later what actually they do here, and everybody wants to know what is the reflashing and all the stuff. Rad will explain later guys. Okay guys, another thing I just want to say that one, Motorad, they sell so many parts and accessories for the motorcycle, and they are official motor distributor here. So even I didn't know what is Super Corta RS19. So Rad will explain everything here. Bro, explain mo na ano yung itong master cylinder.
Okay, so itong RCS19, kaya siya 19 yung number niya because 19mm piston.
Okay.
Yung piston inside dito sa brake master na to is 19mm, and usually this is applicable to mga race calipers natin like M4, which is 32mm or 34mm pistons or higher.
Okay.
GP4RX, GP4RS, GP4RR. Yung mga applicable na calipers dito. For the Brembo M50, what we recommend is the 17 RCS, the 17mm brake.
Okay.
And for this one, yung new model ng Brembo Racing is the Corsa Corta. They added an additional adjustment, which is this one. You have the normal, the sport, and the race modes.
Okay.
So the difference between the three is the modulation of
the leverage.
Yes.
Yeah, you get more leverage on that one.
Yeah, so for the race mode, it's more
stiff.
No, more closer to the
more
RN.
closer to the. Okay.
So every movement is you already feel the braking power.
Okay.
So if you're using the normal mode, it's you have a longer movement of the lever.
Okay, the leverage, yeah.
So every time you press the lever, you'll feel the braking power. Yeah.
Okay.
Ano to, modulation.
Okay.
Modulation. And of course, the classic adjustment is the 20mm and then the 18mm throttle. So the difference between the two is if you put it on the 20, you get the 20mm throttle up to the fully closed.
Fully closed.
On the caliper.
Okay.
Yeah, so ganun siya. And then if you put it on the 18, that's 18mm throttle.
Okay.
From open to fully closed.
Okay. So at the moment, this is a best master cylinder on the market.
At the moment, this is the best one for all around road, street, and track.
Okay.
Of course, there are other models on this one that is specifically made for racing.
Okay. So guys, this is the thing. So many of them selling the parts and accessories and everything, but so many of them doesn't know how to explain to you how it works and all. So if ever you are nearby, if you have any doubts, you can just message them to Motorad Performance on Facebook page. Rad will always be there to assist you all the stuff. Also the mechanics will be here. Just visit this place and they have everything for your bikes. So later Rad will explain regarding the ECU reflashing and all the stuff. Yeah guys, we are going to change this master cylinder to Brembo. So here is the master. So it goes to Brembo and the Brembo. Sam, bakit hindi mo na-cut ng hair mo? Walang pera?
Wala eh.
Wala daw pera guys. Oh, pwede donation sa Motorad. Send nyo na lang sa sa donation sa Motorad. Ikaw?
Wow.
Yeah, so then this will go inside. Yeah, very sarap. Sige ba, Sam? Wala kang energy? Malakas kumain kanina, bakit walang energy? Yeah guys, this is a outcome of my bike. As you can see, this is a RS19 Corsa Corta. This is a master cylinder from Brembo. So this is the one we installed with the scan and everything we replaced, and we put up more brackets here to make it look nice. So that is now the piece ready to roll. It's a good braking power. Now everybody asking me, I always mention the reflashing. So the Motorad, they are the one is first start the reflashing here in the Philippines. I have been reflashing for many years. So Rad will tell you what is a reflashing, what is a performance you get. Go on, brother.
Okay, the reflash is, what we do is we use a reflash equipment. Usually this is provided by a software company or a technician company or a third-party developer. So what we use is voltage racing. By the way, there are many kinds of easy reflash companies like Flash Tune, and there's this another company that provides as well. But we chose voltage racing. They are from Australia, and their application and their software and the features are sobrang dami. Marami kaming pwedeng i-adjust dun sa ECU. So the basic benefits of an ECU reflash is you get more responsive throttling, smoother throttling, smoother engine response. Kumbaga mas malakas yung power niya. Pero that depends on the maps that we load. So these maps are not provided by voltage racing. Those maps are created by us. We put the bikes on the dyno and then we create a map for it, and that's what you get. You get more power. You try to squeeze more juice out of the bike.
Out of the ECU.
Yes.
So
just the ECU.
yeah. So what are the bikes you do for reflashing here in Motorad?
Mostly Japanese bikes, but you can check the voltage racing website. You'll see all types of models that are applicable for the ECU reflash. And
Okay.
also not all bikes are applicable.
Yeah.
But most Japanese bikes from 2007 and above are
400 above, 400 cc above.
250 for Kawasaki and above. And for the Yamaha is 300 cc and above.
Above. So beside that, what you get is, everybody is changing the exhaust and the air filter and everything. So if you're getting the pop-up and everything, ECU reflashing is the best way to stop that thing, right?
Yes, that's right. But although some will say that you just block your your exhaust plates, your small block of plates. Yes, that's applicable as well. But sometimes even if you block those plates, you still have some occasional backfires, and those backfires can only be corrected if you have the correct air fuel ratio
Yes.
on the bike.
Yeah. So guys, mostly the ECU reflash is like when you changing the exhaust, they will custom the map of the ECU and they will load it on your bike,
Yes.
and it will remove the restrictions of the bike,
Yes.
and it will give you more responsible
Yes,
performance for the bikes, right?
yes, that's right.
Yeah. That is actually the ECU reflash, guys. So you will have an idea right now the reflashing. Mostly, if you guys have any question for how the reflashing and how much it will cost, you can just message Motorad Facebook page, and they will give you the pricing. And if you want to dyno, they have a dyno price. And if you want to just really custom map, you do the custom mapping only without dyno also. You have, right?
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
of course.
So according to your choice, they can do it for your bike. So here, Master Buhok. Oh, dito, hindi lang sa puro Pinoy dito. May foreigner din dito, foreigner. Oh, tingnan nyo. Oh, dito, mechanic din. Pangalan mo, Lucky. Oh, Lucky daw pangalan niya, pero malalag. Oh, isa rin dito sa mechanic din dito. Actually finished installing the Brembo RC19, and you can see they are cleaning up the bike outside. So they do everything here. So here, so wherever I go, there is a giveaways all the time. So here Rad, he is giving away something for you guys. So if your bike is 400cc above, mostly Japanese bike,
Yep.
yeah, mostly Japanese bike, he will tell you what he's actually offering.
Okay, so we're giving away one free reflash for Abdul's subscriber. He will raffle it on your
Yeah,
just
in
tell
YouTube.
the mechanics.
Yeah, yeah.
So we'll give out one free reflash, 50% off just for the reflash, and then 20% off.
Okay, I will explain one more time.
Yeah.
I will be choosing one of you from my subscribers. I will give one full reflash, any bike from 400cc above, mostly Japanese bike. There is other one, two bikes I will choose from my subscribers to giving 50% off for the reflashing, and the third one I will choose 10 bikes from my subscribers giving 20% off. So the reflashing rate, the minimum rate of reflashing, how much is the minimum of reflashing?
Depends on the CC, but the lowest is 8,000 pesos.
Yeah, the lowest is 8,000 pesos up to 18,000. That is depend on the bike. So anyway, there will be any bikes you having from 400cc above, we will give. One bike is free reflash, and the second two bikes we will give 50% discount, and 10 bikes we will give 10% discount. So guys, I'll tell you what you have to do on this video. You just comment about anything about your bike and put hashtag Motorad Performance. Hashtag Motorad Performance. I will be posting details on my Facebook page also. So you will have 13 bikes having this raffle. 13 bikes. Yeah, 13 bikes. So bro, thank you for
Thank you.
thank you guys for here is their staff, and here is one of my friend from long time, but ngayon hindi ko alam saan siya galing. So yeah, our mechanics are here and they are doing their work. So guys, see you on my next vlog. Thanks for watching. Support all the businesses and all the things. So peace.